Let us start exercise 3.7 of CBSE class 10th mathematics. This is the question number 1. It states that the age of two friends, Ani and Biju, differ by 3 years. Ani's father, Dharma, is twice as old as Ani, and Biju is twice as old as his sister Kathy. The age of Kathy and Dharma differ by 30 years. Find the age of Ani and Biju. Let x be the age of Ani and Biju age will be x minus 3. You see, in this case we will take x minus 3. In the second part we will take the x plus 3. Now here you see Ani's father will be twice x, means just twice of the Ani's. And Biju's sister Kathy age will be x minus 3 divided by 2. So according to the question, the difference of the Dharma means the father of Ani's and Biju is 30 years. So 2x minus x minus 3 by 2 is equal to 30. You see, just multiply it by 2 throughout. You will get 4x minus x plus 3 equal to 60. Ultimately, the 3x will be equal to 60 minus 3. So, the 3x equal to 57. So, the x will be equal to 57 divided by 3, 19 years. So, Ani's age will be equal to 19 years. Therefore, the Biju's age will be 19 minus 3, that is 16 years. These are the two answers of 16 and 19. Someone can do it like this also. Let x be the age of Ani's and Biju's age will be x plus 3. Ani's father Dharma will be twice x, and Kathy, that is the Biju's sisters, will be x plus 3 by 2. So according to the question, 2x minus x plus 3 by 2 equal to 30. So the 4x minus x minus 3 equal to 60. Just we multiply it completely by 2, you will get this thing. So 3x will be equal to 63, so x will be equal to 21 years. Ani's age is 21 years and Biju's age will be x plus 3, that is 21 plus 3, that is 24 years. Now proceed to the question number 2. One says, give me 100 friend, I shall then become twice as rich as you. The other replies, if you give me 10, I shall be 6 times as rich as you. Tell me what is the amount of their respective capitals. Now you see here, let x be the money with the first friend and y money with the second friend. So if x receive 100 rupees from y, he will be the twice of the y's money. Means you see the 2 into in bracket y minus 100. So solve it, you will get x minus 2y is equal to minus 300. This will be the first equation. In the second case, you see y plus 10 will be equal to 6 times of x minus 10. So solve it, you will get 6x minus y will be equal to 70. You see, I have written here the two equations, that is x minus 2y is equal to minus 300, 6x minus y is equal to 70. So x will be equal to, you see how to find the, by cross multiplication I am telling you, minus 1 multiplied to minus 300, you see minus 1 multiplied by minus 300 minus 2 into 70 whole divided by, you just cover the constant part and cross multiply it. So 1 into minus 1, 1 into minus 1 minus 6 into minus 2. So you will get here 300 plus 140 whole divided by 11. It will be 40. Now y, that is for the to take out the value of y from these two equations, what you should do, that you just multiply 1 into 70, means left to down. So 1 into 70 minus 6 into 300, minus 300. So minus 6 into minus 300 whole upon 1 into minus 1 minus 6 into minus 2, that will be equal to 70 plus 1800 whole divided by 11. This will be equal to 1870 divided by 11, that will be equal to 170. These are the answer for 2, that is 40 and 170. Question number 2 is here. Question number 3. You see, the question number 3 states that a train covers a certain distance at a uniform speed. If the train would have been 10 km per hour faster, it would have taken 2 hours less than the scheduled time. And if the train were slower by 10 km per hour, it would have taken 3 hours more than the scheduled time. Find the distance covered by the train. You see, I have taken here, let x be the uniform speed of the train and it takes time t to complete the prescribed distance. That distance is x into t, means speed into time. So according to the question, the distance divided by the speed means x plus 10. So will be equal to t minus 2. So just cross multiply the x plus 10 in one bracket, in the second bracket write down t minus 2 equal to x into t. So just open these two brackets, multiply it. So x into t minus 2x plus 10t minus 20 will be equal to xt. This xt and xt will be cancelled. So we are left with minus 2x plus 10 minus 20. You just multiply minus to all the terms, you will get 2x minus 10t plus 20 equal to 0. Or you see, you can just divide it throughout by 2. You will get x minus 5t plus 10 is equal to 0. This will be the first equation. Case number 2. When the speed is decreased by 10, at that time xt, that distance will remain same. So xt divided by x minus 10, that will be the scheduled time plus 3 hours. So cross multiply it, you will get x minus 10 into t plus 3 will be equal to x into t. Now open this bracket, you will get xt plus 3x minus 10t minus 30 equal to xt. You see, 3x minus 10t minus 30 equal to 0. So I have written the two equations at one place. That is, first equation is that x minus 5t plus 10 equal to 0. 3x minus 10t minus 30 equal to 0. Now by cross multiplication, you see here these constants are on the left hand side of the sign of equality. So little bit there is change in formula, that while you are finding the value of x, you just to multiply minus 5 to minus 30, means LD. That is minus 5 into minus 30 minus 10 into 10. So minus 10 into 10 whole divided by, you just cover the constant term here and cross multiply it. You will get 1 into minus 10 minus 3 into minus 5. Ultimately you will get 150 plus 100 upon minus 10 plus 15. That will be equal to 250 divided by 5. That will be equal to 50 km per hour. Now to work out the time, what you do, that t will be equal to, put the value, just you multiply with the cross multiplication method. You see, I have to find out the 3 into 10. 3 into 10, I have written here 3 into 10 minus 1 into minus 30 LD, left to down, whole upon 1 into minus 10 minus 3 into minus 5. You will get 30 plus 30 upon minus 10 plus 15. That will be equal to 60 divided by 5, and it will be equal to 12 hours. So the distance will be equal to speed into time, that is 50 into 12, that will be equal to 600 kilometer. Now proceed to the question number 4. The students of the class are made to stand in rows. If 3 students are extra in a row, there would be 1 row less. If 3 students are less in row, there would be 2 rows more. Find the number of students in the class. Here you see, let x be the number of the student in each row, and let y be the number of rows. The total number of students will be equal to x into y. So according to question, in case number 1, x plus 3 will multiplied by y minus 1 should be equal to xy. So now open the bracket, you will get xy minus x plus 3y minus 3 equal to xy. So minus x plus 3y equal to 3. This will be your first equation. Now according to the question, case number 2 is there. So when the 3 students are less, at that time the rows are required 2 plus, means x minus 3 into y plus 2 is equal to xy. So xy, open this bracket, so xy plus 2x minus 3y minus 6 equal to xy. This xy and this xy will be cancelled. So we are left with 2x minus 3y equal to 6. This will be the second equation. Now adding first and second, we have x is equal to 9. Put the value of x is equal to 9. In the first we have, you see, in place this, I have just put the, we'll write down the x here, minus 9 plus 3y equal to 3. Solve it, 3y will be equal to 12, y will be equal to 4. So now the number of the student, there is x into y, that will be equal to 9 into 4, that is equal to, that will be equal to 36. This will be the answer for question number 4. Now see question number 5. In a triangle ABC, angle C is equal to thrice of angle B, and thrice of B is also equal to twice the, in bracket, angle A plus angle B, bracket closed. Find the three angles. You see, I have mentioned here A, B, C are the triangles. C is thrice of angle B, and B will be the B, and angle A will be equal to angle B by 2. You see, I have solved here. Angle C is equal to 3 times of the angle B, and that is equal to twice the sum of the angle A plus B. So angle C is equal to thrice of angle B. Now you see, twice of angle A plus angle B is equal to thrice of angle B. So just divide it by 2. Both sides you will get angle A plus angle B is equal to 3 by 2 of angle B. That will be the angle A will be equal to 3 by 2 angle